What's good, investors? It's your favorite investor, and this is the channel to help keep you invested and build your wealth. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure y'all hit that like button and subscribe, because this is the type of content that we come out here every day. And today we're gonna tell you guys if it's a good time to buy JEPQ. This is one of the positions that I have been building up this year. It's been phenomenal. It pays about a 10% dividend. If you guys don't know, this is a covered call ETF that actually holds the NASDAQ 100 and is the reason why it can see so much share price appreciation on top of providing dividend income. So this is a fantastic strategy for people that are looking to increase their portfolio income and are looking for some capital appreciation. I personally have been very pleased with the way that this fund has been performing, and at the current time I have some trading profits that I'm waiting to put into JEPQ. So I am looking for some entries, and right now we're gonna pull up this chart. So looking at JEPQ, we can see that this thing has been going crazy since the beginning of the year, and at the moment we're getting ready to pull up to some resistance around 49.50. In order for us to find out if this is a good time to buy this, we have to compare this to the ticker symbol QQQ. Right, the QQQ is the fund that this actually follows, and so the QQQ is going to give you a better idea of whether or not this is a good time to invest in JEPQ. So let's go ahead and pull that up really quick. So as we're looking at the NASDAQ 100, we can see that we are running into some resistance here. We are getting ready to approach some resistance around in between 408, and we're currently at a share price 389. And so what this is telling me is that price is getting ready to be tested, right? Price has pretty much been allowed to run straight up. JEPQ has seen the benefits of that because it holds the NASDAQ 100. And at the moment, we want to see if the NASDAQ 100 is going to end up breaking through this price or coming back down from this price. So at the moment, I personally am just going to hold my capital and wait for the NASDAQ 100 to let us know what it wants to do. At the moment, it's currently in a little trading range. It hasn't really broken or closed really below this level almost at all. Like it's literally been pinned in between 390 and 388 for the last week and a half. So at the moment, we don't have a clear direction. This could be a consolidation leading into a breakthrough or a breakdown. And so for me, I don't really want to push more capital into JEPQ because I know that the underlying is getting ready to make a move. So I'd rather wait for this equity to make its move before I put some capital in. Now, JEPQ is a fantastic way to put some capital to work, and so I am eager to start buying some stuff. I'm not gonna lie, I did take 4 shares and I bought on this candle here as it broke down, closed below the 7 EMA. The 7 EMA also looks like it's starting to curl down, and so I said, okay, you know what, I'll take a little bit of my capital and start putting it into JEPQ. Ideally, I'd like to see price come back down and retest 47.77. That would also signify that the NASDAQ 100 has probably come down to most likely about 373. So you're looking about a nice little 3.84% pullback. And again, this is just hypothetical, right? These are just some of the things that I would like to see. If I end up seeing JEPQ continue to rise and the NASDAQ 100 just continues to show this momentum upwards, I'll wait for a retest of this 389, and I'll just end up adding some more shares of JEPQ once the NASDAQ 100 retraces back down a little bit. Now, if this thing continues to rip, well, I've been buying shares all year long, and so I'm not really going to sit here and be mad that I couldn't add more shares at cheaper prices. I'll be okay with what I bought, and eventually price will come back down to a level where I want to purchase. And so this is the kind of mentality that you have to have when you're a long-term investor. You don't want to go chasing or FOMOing into stocks. You want to be patient. Be careful, right? Look around, see what's happening, see what's going on. As of right now, I know that price is approaching a resistance area, and I believe price is going to react. Which way is it going to react? Shoot, if I had a crystal ball, I'd let you know, but I don't. Anyways, it's your favorite investor. Don't do nothing I wouldn't do. Hope you guys got some value from this video. Hope you guys learned something. But I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.